welcome to my channel. If you haven't been here before, it's nice to meet you. I'm Steffi. In this channel, I like to post workout videos that are adaptable to people with all abilities and are also wheelchair friendly. If you are new, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the channel. That way we can continue to grow our community, raise awareness, and have more people work out with us. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'm over there at official Steffi G. We have a lot of fun. I post content daily, and you get to keep up with me. If you're not new, you're awesome, you're amazing, and I really appreciate your support. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I drive this truck. So this is my car. We're gonna get to know the inside of it, how I drive it, what the ramp looks like, and I'm gonna take you guys along to put some gas. So I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy this video. And let me know what you'd like to see me film next. That I use for the driver's seat. I don't know exactly how much they measure. I do know they're pretty tall. I had them custom made, but I will be putting more information on both the brand, the sizing, and how tall they are in the information box. So this is how tall I sit in the car. As you can see, I have pretty much perfect visibility. I'll show you the hand controls now. This is how I drive. This is the hand control. That goes down there. If you press it down, it's the brake. If you press it towards you, it's the accelerator. Now let's go on an adventure and let me show you how I put gas. truck. I hope this video was helpful. I hope that it shows you that we can do anything. It might take a little bit of practice. It might take a little bit of adapting things to our needs, but it can definitely be done. I'm going to be linking down below the car's conversion because I know a lot of people have been asking. So you're going to have their website and their information down below. That's it for today. It was a little bit of a shorter video, but I think it was very informative and very instructive for those who have never seen something like this or have seen a person with a disability looked at. See you next time.